Love the paint scheme. What do you
I
think
like
of
the
that?
paint job.
Love the paint job. We looked at the one Super C earlier today. It was a Renegade, if I remember correctly. Try to get a variety for everybody. This is the Dynaquest XL. Dynaquest XL. I do not see a price outside. So let's see if there's a price inside. But we're gonna walk up.
Look at that counter space.
Isn't that nice?
And the TV.
TV on the televator. There's your price.
The fireplace.
We needed that this morning, but it's gotten a little warm now.
Yes.
Yes, we
right.
did need that this morning.
Freightliner
All
chassis.
night last night.
And everything is right at your fingertips, which is great. There's a bed up above the front cockpit, which is awesome. Nice woodwork throughout. It's a little bit dark in here, not all the lights are on, but you can see the woodwork, okay? Normal
Absolutely.
type dinette. There's a couple of cup holders there, so I'm pretty sure you can sit there. And there's seat belts while you're driving down the road. Okay, again, nice cabinetry everywhere. Theater chairs right there with the cool little snack trays, which is right across from that space that lady was talking about, because there is your TV, fireplace, soundbar, more cabinets. Kitchen, nice and compact, but has everything you need. Right, it's got a little flip-up bar here, full
Large single basin
basin
sink.
sink, nice residential faucet, induction cooktop.
That's
That's
locked.
locked because they're getting ready to move it.
Yeah, they
GE
are.
fridge, some drawers down here. That's what I'm saying. We are pushing it, y'all.
We are about to get kicked out. I
Right?
like the lighting.
Huge. Look at this refrigerator, Lisa. Did you see
That's
that?
crazy.
It's hard to see in the camera because of the angles, but that is gigantic.
It is.
Gigantic.
Wow.
Okay.
I like the under counter lighting.
Under counter lights. So this is sort of a split bathroom. So the vanity is here, okay, and the toilet and the shower is going to be in this door over here. Okay. You know, I'm going to try. I don't think I'm going to fit. I don't think I'm going to fit.
No, I don't think it.
If I
Without the backpack, I still don't think you're going to fit.
I just fit. It's tall.
Oh,
So because
okay.
it's tall, it gives a different perspective. So I definitely, I mean, but I just fit, okay? So you couldn't be any taller than me, okay? 6'4". A little corner shower with a little bench in there. There is a skylight above there, so let me try to crawl. Yeah, this one's good. So this is fine. And the faucets are tight to the wall, and so this isn't an issue at all whatsoever.
Nice.
Okay? So yeah, this is definitely tall and fluffy approved, if you're no taller than me. Lisa was about, sorry baby, she was about to show you the washer dryer, which is right there. This looks to be like an RV King. I think it's a little bit too wide for Queen, so we can call this an RV King. Cabinetry all around the top, pedestals out down here for your CPAPs, power, all that stuff.
And your touchpad there too.
Directly across, you've got TV. It's very symmetrical. Cabinets on both sides with hanging space, drawers in the middle, drawers down beneath. Right, very nice. All right.
All right, let's go find something else.
All right. Coming down to the end, y'all.
Yes.